Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Anushri and I am a Cricut ambassador for India. In today's video, I am going to talk about some basic features of Cricut Design Space. So let's get started. So let's get onto a new canvas and tap on images on the bottom left of the canvas. I am offered to choose from over 14 lakh images here. Each one is so beautiful. There is a wide variety of designs in Design Space. If you haven't checked it out yet, you should definitely try that. So to explain the features today, I need to choose a simple image with easy to understand design. Let me see few more images and try choosing a simpler one. I think this butterfly fits perfectly as a simple image. So let's take it to the canvas. Now the first feature which I want to explain here is contour feature. To use this feature, just select the image and tap on action button. On the right hand option, you will find contour. Click on it. You will see something like this. The image has got broken into different parts. Now with the help of contour function, you can choose to keep or remove these inside shapes. Look how I have removed all these and now I have just an outline shape of butterfly with no inside cuts. Now let's duplicate this image and try to understand the resizing feature. First of all, go and tap on edit after selecting the image. You will find this edit button at the bottom. So from there you can choose that. Once you have selected that, you will find another panel above it which will give you the width and height. In the first column with the lock, there you can choose to resize it symmetrically by keeping the lock. Here you can see how I am resizing, but once you open the lock from here, the resizing will not be symmetrical. Now you can see I am changing the width, or I can just change the height without changing the width at all. So when you are keeping the lock, width and height changes symmetrically. Once you open it, it changes dissymmetrically. So this is about the resizing feature here. Next we are going to talk about a very interesting feature which is adding a scoring line to our designs. Let me show you the layer panel here. Both the butterflies are showing basic cut here. In shape panel, you can choose to have this scoring line. It is a dashed line here. In the layer, you can see that it is already added to the canvas. Now take it to the shape wherever you want to. My butterfly is vertical and that is why I will have to add this scoring line vertically. Put it wherever you want in the shape. Select the shape along with the scoring line and just align it if you want to get it in the center. It's not just in the center, wherever you want you can just align it according to your shape and design. Right now I want to get it in the center, so I am doing this aligning part horizontally. So you can see how easy it is. Let me repeat the same process to a dissymmetrical shape which I did it earlier. I've added another scoring line to the layer panel. This one is smaller, so I need to stretch it a bit so that it can cover up the whole design. This time I've kept it a little away from the center, but we can do that alignment very easily by selecting the image plus the scoring line. Go to the align feature and there you will find center horizontally, which will get it to the vertically. Both the scoring line plus the image will be aligned. So that is how I can get the center very easily. All the features I talked about today are very interesting. Putting them together, you can play around with a lot of designs, and here are some of the references which I am sharing with you all, which have been done using all these kind of features only. You can see how the contour feature has added beauty to all these butterflies, plus the resizing and again the scoring part of it. Hope you learned something new today and enjoyed today's video. I hope to see you all again some other day. Thanks for now. Bye bye.